As you may know, Vitamin Shoppe recently discontinued my favorite brand of protein powder, and that sent me down the rabbit hole to try to find a substitute, and I think I found it. So the best tasting protein powder that I have found is by Beverly International. It's called Beverly International Ultimate Muscle Protein. This is a combination of whey and casein protein, which I think is superior to either whey or casein by themselves. Besides tasting really good, this brand of protein powder is giving you 120 calories per scoop. Also, one scoop has 20 grams of protein. And another reason I like this is that each scoop also is giving you about 30% of your daily value of magnesium, which I think many people are not getting enough of. As you may know, I begin my day with a big giant smoothie, which I'm putting broccoli and lima beans in a blender. So anything that can make that taste good is a plus in my book, and I was very surprised at how well this protein powder tasted. Oh, and by the way, they're not paying me to say this. I just think this is a really good tasting protein powder. What protein powder do you use? Leave a comment below and let me know.